Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to make your Twitter account private. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, before getting started, make sure to update your Twitter application to the latest version. In case you haven't updated your Twitter application, then all you have to do is head towards your Play Store application and then on the search box type in Twitter, and on the other page tap on the update button if it is available. So after updating your application, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So then open up your Twitter application. Once you open up your Twitter application, in the top left corner of your screen there is a profile icon. Simply tap on it, and as you tap on it, on the other side scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on settings and support. So once again the page expands and then scroll down, and on the second last option there is settings and privacy. Simply tap on it. As you tap on settings and privacy, on the other page there are multiple options. Now all you have to do is you have to tap on privacy and safety, which is on the fourth step. So once you tap on privacy and safety, on the other page under it there are multiple options. Now all you have to do is tap on audience and tagging, which is right on top, and out here you can see there is protect your tweet, and just under it there is a statement. So all you have to do is just simply tap on the button, which is right in the corner, and once it turns blue, which indicates that your account has been switched from public to private. Now only those followers who is following you on Twitter will be able to see your post or tweets. So that is how you can make your Twitter account private on your device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.